You have to push in the little button here. So you press the unlock button, hold it down, and it unlocks. Then you can hit the 2 red buttons to turn it off. So you unscrew this, pull this off. You see the filter is going to be pretty gross. You want to put that right there. That's what we're going to take in and rinse off. There we go. So again, unscrew this. Take this off.
Dad, I say do it with both of them.
Do it with both filters. And this one you just bring in. So, okay. We're going to take these. Go wash them in the sink. There's some tablets in here. The old tablets. Dump those in the garbage. Put it out.
Say always do it in the sink.
Always do it in the sink. You take this, just rinse it off so it's all dirty brown like this. See, it's going from brown, clear up, and you want to make it white. Get all the brown stuff out. Okay, now you gotta put the filters back together. Put that in like that. Goes over the top. Top in. Now you're just gonna screw these back on. Should go on nice and easy.
Okay.
You don't want to over tighten it. Alright, so what helps usually you put it down in here like this. Let the bubbles clear. And then you just put it on the second one, the bottom one.
Put it on the bottom filter.
Okay, next step is you need to turn it back on. So you click the lock button, hold it down until that comes up, then you turn it on by hitting that. You want to have both of these red. That's your temperature there. Just go keep it at 104, the max. And this is all set. Now we need to get the chemicals out. They're in here. This, you filming? These are the 2 things you need. You're gonna put them on the table. We're gonna put like 4 of these. 4 of these in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Some of these are a little big. Let's smush them down. Make sure to wash your hands after this bad chemical. And you put this in like that. There you go. And then you come over and use the top one. Right there. This goes down. And this one you just turn, you get it lined up, and just turn until it clicks. You don't have to screw that one on. So we're going to open this up. Use it. And there's a spoon in there. So you're going to get 3 spoonfuls. So 1, you just kind of put it over there like that. And we're going to do another one. Third one. Okay.
Oh, I thought you were gonna hit me.
So you need to get these lined up with this. So what you can do, here, stand back a little bit. You're gonna just kind of slide, pull this around so it lines up with this one. Then you can clip it in. And then you go around and do the other ones.
I can stop it, right?